Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Deasia, but you can call me D. This is my birthday series. Yes, but I'm uploading a different birthday look for the 6 days of Deasia. That's right. This is day 3. Did I already say that? If you want to see how I achieve this look, please continue on watching. I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the shade 4. I'm going to brush my eyebrows up first. Next, using my Anastasia Beverley Hills concealer in the shade 3.75, I'm going to clean up under my eyebrow with this. And of course, I'm going to blend it down with my small stiff brush. Well, not stiff, but small dense brush. I'm thinking about doing like a pink tint nude look today. So I'm going in first with my Anastasia Beverly Hills concealer. Same concealer that I used to clean up under my eyebrows. I like to fill the lid first and then move it up to the top. And then after I'm done blending that out, I'm going to set it with my Juvia's Place setting powder in the shade Kalahari. I'm going to put just a little bit. So I haven't went in with my Huda Beauty palette in a really long time, so I think that's the palette I'm going to go in with today. It's the Huda Beauty Texture Eyeshadow Palette, the Rose Gold Edition. And being that this is going to be like a soft nude pink look, I figured this is the perfect palette. So I'm going to use... sorry y'all, I got... Let's get her. Okay, I'm going to use Sky Flamingo. Definitely angelic, and I might blend it with some moon dust. So those are the 4 colors that I'm using. The construction outside my window is not it. So I make sure all of my creases are gone out of my eyeshadow. And then the first color I'm going to go into it, I'm going to go in with that lightest pink first, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. Next, I'm gonna go in with this flamingo color, and I'm gonna put that on the insides of that pink I just did. Hopefully it's dark enough. Yeah, this is good, because I only want to use it to just darken out the ends. Okay, so now that I'm done adding those 2 colors, just give it a little natural. I'm thinking about going in with some angelic. Oh my bad, I can't see. Some angelic, this pink shade right here, right on my lid. I'm gonna use the same brush that I used. Okay, this is like a top color, so I need a bottom color. So I think I'm gonna go in with moon dust right here, and then go on with that pink on top of it. And I want to put it there like kind of messy like, because it's not supposed to be a cut crease. Just like that. Just like that. Just like that. Sorry. And eyeliner. Of course, we're going with the wing today. I'm using my Essence Super Precise Eyeliner. Long lasting and waterproof. Heavy on the waterproof, for real. Let me back out up some so y'all can see my whole face and my chin. Okay, that's a little bit too far because I'm really just about to do my eyeliner. So I'm gonna zoom y'all back up. Then I'm going to clean up the ending of my liner with some concealer. Two primers I'm going in with today is the Studio Fix Matte Cosmetics Mattifine Shine Control and the Pore Blur by Makeup Revolution. I like to go in with the Shine Control first. I'm going to take away my dark spots with my concealer.
Fucking toilet paper, man. I dropped the rest of my shit in the fucking toilet. And this tripod got it sitting on top of my toilet jar now. I gotta throw it away. You know why I gotta throw it away?
Because your toilet inside the toilet dirty.
I dropped it in after I was fucking peeing.
You can get a pack of my wife. So I'm about to go in with my Tarte concealer in the shade Tan Sand. I put this under my eyes, down my nose, right here, right here. So I like to blend up under my eyes last because I want it to be like the most bright. So I'm going to add some contour. I really like to add my contour first, but I be moving too fast and I really love to use concealer. But I am going to go back and add some more concealer because I know I'm going to have to fix it around my nose area. I put a little too much contour, but we're gonna fix it. There's no going back now. I did not mean to make my forehead that little. Why did I go so hard on the contour? Yeah, I have to go back and conceal it anyways, because this shit right here, whoa. Whoa. Okay. Let me blend out my nose, because it's looking crazy. I went so hard on the contour, y'all. Like, oh my goodness. I'm about to add some more concealer to fix up this contour because I went a little too hard on the contour, and yeah, this looks a mess. Now I'm going to bake my, well, not bake my face, I'm going to set my face. And first things first is I'm going to clean up here. And I stop my line right there. I don't like to bring it all the way down to my mouth. Right there. Can be a little higher. Okay. And I'm gonna just put the rest of my setting powder on with my brush. These are my BH Cosmetics, my Juvia's Place Saharan Blush Palette. And going in, I think I'm going with this pink shade today, since it's like a pink toned look. My brush still wet. So I'm about to do my lips now. I'm using this lip pencil from, I don't know who, but I got it from the beauty supply store. My nose is always crusty when I'm recording. Always. And my nose don't even be running. Using my Milani Matte Diva pink lipstick. This used to be my favorite when I was younger. My Anastasia glow kit, and of course I'm gonna go in with this pink tone. Thanks for watching this tutorial. If you like this video or like how my look came out, don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe. Turn your post notifications on so you won't miss another beat. And I will see you guys in my next video.